In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a style sheet from a page in Hubspot. If you're working with Hubspot and need to adjust the styling of a particular page by removing an existing style sheet, you've come to the right place. My goal today is to walk you through each step of this process clearly and concisely. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a good understanding of how to navigate Hubspot to achieve this task efficiently. Let's jump right in. Start by heading over to Hubspot's main website. If you aren't already familiar, HubSpot offers a suite of tools designed to help businesses grow, so there's plenty to explore, but for now, our focus is on removing a style sheet. Once you're there, locate and click on the Login option. This link is usually in the top right corner of the home page. Input your login credentials and proceed to your account's home dashboard. From here, take yourself over to the home section, and you will find all your available tools and options laid out. Our journey today continues with finding the content feature, which is pivotal for making changes to style sheets. Once you click on content, a menu will appear. Navigate through this menu to locate and click on landing pages. This is where HubSpot stores the various pages associated with your account. Now, with the landing pages view open, browse through the list to find the specific page from which you want to remove the style sheet. Click on that page to open up its details. This will bring up a new interface where you can tailor various aspects of your selected page. With your page now open, look for the Settings tab positioned in the menu, give it a click. The Settings area provides various customization options for your page, but what we're interested in today lies under Page Style Sheets. Once you identify and click on Page Style Sheets, you'll be greeted with a list of style sheets currently applied to your page. This is the area where your custom CSS or predefined templates reside. To remove a style sheet, simply identify the style sheet you want to detach from your page. There will typically be an option or button to remove or deselect the style sheet. Click on it and the style sheet will be disconnected from your page. Be sure to save your changes before closing out to ensure that your configurations are applied. And there you have it, you've successfully removed a style sheet from your HubSpot page. With practice, these steps will become second nature, allowing you to fine-tune your web pages to suit your business needs. Thank you for following along today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to check out our other HubSpot tutorials for more insights. Happy customizing!